So this was wood that was, it was out in the yard, and it was from a tree that a customer had taken down, or I had to take down for a customer, and they didn't want it. And so I took it to the sawmill 5 years ago, had it cut up, but it's been outside ever since. It was getting moldy, brought it in the shed last fall, ran it through the joiner a few times, or planer rather, got it cleaned up, and then left it inside. So when I was looking at it and went, oh, I could make the post out of that, and that's what I did. I'm really excited about these. They really turned out well, and this is actually a pretty easy way to make the post if you have the right tools, which is basically some really good clamps. You learn how to tame the Gorilla Glue, and then just a few other little tips that I'm going to cover in the Instructable itself. So again, that's all the prototypes. This was the last one, because again, the posts, right? But it covered all the prototypes, how I made them, all the steps going along the way. There's a lot of video, and I sure hope you enjoy this Instructable on making prototypes for post and rail, to make beds, bunks, shelters, and I don't know, I can't remember what else I got in there. Garden beds, things like that. Anyhow, enjoy. GoPro, stop recording.